Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about property. That means if you want to sell a property, purchase a property, make your own home, that's a dream for everyone. And if you are a real estate agent, that means your work is related to property. So this word property, which direction is connected to this according to Vastu Shastra, and which remedies are the best to get the maximum profit from this. So the first direction, if we say, it's west direction. That means west is the direction connected to Saturn, and west is connected to your properties. That means property sale, property purchase, creating your own property. This all energies are connected from west. If west is negative, then your wish will not be manifested, and there are many struggles. That means your everyday work, everyday task starts getting harder and harder each day. So first you have to balance the west direction. And remedies, if we say, there are two remedies. The first remedy is property sale protector. It's basically a booster along with a yantra. Yantras are symbolic designs and symbolic coding through which our subconscious mind aligns with the universe, and universe starts manifesting your wishes. That means the opportunities which are required to get successful, those opportunities starts occurring in your life. So through yantras, you can connect with your subconscious mind, and the booster is basically an energy source. That means it's basically a brass bar inside which there are many crystals filled. Crystals related to 7 chakra and 9 planets. Metal and crystal, both we get from our environment. So any remedy which we get from our prakriti are the best results which you can achieve in Vastu Shastra. And there is a healing symbol backside. So 3 combinations. A booster creates positive energy wherever it is placed. So a positive vibe starts occurring near that. And when you place a yantra above this, so booster energy along with the yantra symbolic codings starts creating vibration which starts manifesting your wishes. So this booster is placed in west direction at a 3 feet height, or any table you can place. Do not place this on floor because yantras are there. Yantras, if it is by mistake stamped, that means if you place your leg on this, it may create side effect, it may create negative energies. So booster at a certain height, it is very auspicious. And the second remedy is village scenery. A village scenery, if you place in west direction, your property related any manifestations start occurring. So these 2 remedies are very auspicious for property related gain. So if you have any requirement of these products, you can contact in the number given below. Along with this, if you want to check the Vastu of your home plan, then you can send your plan in the number given below. And after the correction, the complete Vastu remedies products you will receive in our office. And if you are interested in Vastu classes, that means how this Vastu Shastra, how our surroundings align with us, support with us, how does these energies affect our problems and manifest our wishes and all. That means by our elders, always we hear that your friend circle, your surrounding people should be powerful and smart. The reason is because how you're surrounding, your mind related frequency starts relating with them. So for example, if you are in a dark room where everywhere there are cracks, there are negative energies, then you don't start feeling to work at your true potential. But similarly, your plot is made according to the Vastu Shastra. That means the light colors are used, the toilet placement, kitchen placement, main door placement, everything is perfect. So whenever you stay in this surrounding, you'll start getting that positive vibes and all to get motivated and work a lot. So this Vastu Shastra, it basically helps you in aligning with your space. That means aligning with your land energies. And once it's aligned, you start receiving opportunities in your life. Along with this, in this courses, more than 350 remedies we are going to learn, and basic to advanced. That means if you are just a beginner who has a curiosity to learn about Vastu Shastra, from there to the professional knowledge you will start learning in this course. Then 45 Devtas. Basically 45 Devtas is an advanced part in which pinpoint remedies, that means a particular problem, which degrees are connected, which Devtas are connected, and by activating those, you start receiving your solutions and all. And aura scanners and pendulums. These are basic dowsing tools through which we can sense the energies and all. That means this aura booster we have to use or not use, where we have to place for the best remedies and best directions to activate these energies. This all questions and all you can answer with aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content you are going to learn in this course. For more information, you can check the description box and contact in the number given below to enroll in these courses. Thank you for watching this whole video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment the next video related to which problems or which myth you want to clear them. I'll surely make the videos related to that. So do comment in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel so that you can transform your life in a positive way. So thank you.